Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a truly remarkable project, a DIY home computer, the Minimal 64x4, boasting 4 times the processing power of a classic Commodore 64 or Apple II. It's incredible.
4 times the power? That's seriously impressive. What's the secret sauce? Is it some cutting-edge silicon?
Not exactly cutting edge, in the modern sense. The magic lies in its minimalist design. It uses only 6174 HCXX logic ICs, 26C1008 SRAM chips, and 439 SF0x0 flash chips. No microcontroller. Completely built from discrete logic.
Wow, that's old school. I mean, that's a throwback to the very basics of computing. Amazing! What kind of specs are we talking about?
It's an 8-bit system with a 16-bit address bus, 64 kilobytes of RAM, and a 512 kilobytes FLASH SSD with a full file system. It even has monochrome VGA output at 400 by 240 pixels, PS2 support, an expansion slot, and a serial UART port. And the clock speed? 8 megahertz.
8 megahertz. That's surprisingly fast for a design like this. What about the instruction set? Is it limited?
Not at all. It has 256 instructions, including conditional branching, subroutines, stack operations, and more. It even has a full native toolchain, an operating system called Minos, a text editor, an assembler, and a surprisingly fast Python-like interpreter called Min.
A Python-like interpreter? That's unexpected. So it's not just a retro curiosity, it's actually quite capable. Are there any games or demos available?
Absolutely. There's a Tetris clone and a Space Invaders clone, and there's even a CycleExact emulator available online. Plus, there's a reference manual and an introductory video on YouTube. It's all open source too.
This is incredible. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the creator, SLU4Coder. I'm curious though, how does the 4x processing power of a C64 claim hold up? Is that a fair comparison?
That's a good question. It's a bit of a simplification, you know. The clock speed is a major factor, but the architecture and instruction set also play a role. While the claim might be a bit of an oversimplification, the Minimal 64x4 is demonstrably more powerful than a C64 in many tasks. The comparison is more about highlighting the impressive performance relative to its vintage counterparts.
I see. So it's a bold claim, but not necessarily inaccurate. This project is a fantastic blend of retro aesthetics and modern capabilities. It's a great example of what's possible with a deep understanding of computer architecture. Truly inspiring.
Exactly. It's a beautiful demonstration of how much can be achieved with a focused, minimalist approach. And the community around it is quite active, with several contributors already. It's a project that deserves all the attention it's getting. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the Minimal 64x4. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.